Ever feel like you are doing everything right? Being nice, working hard, staying out of trouble, but people still sort of look right past you? It's frustrating. You see others commanding the room effortlessly while you feel invisible. But here is the harsh reality. Respect is not something you are owed just for existing. It is something you build brick by brick through specific behaviors. It is not about being the loudest person in the room or having a fancy title. It is about how you carry yourself when nobody is watching. Stick around because the last mistake I'm going to cover is the number one reason people lose respect instantly, and you might be doing it without even realizing it. The foundation of iron. Let's start with the core, self-respect. If you do not respect yourself, nobody else will. Step one is setting boundaries. You have to get comfortable with the word no. And here's the trick. Do not over-explain. You do not need a 10-minute slideshow on why you cannot help someone move their couch on Sunday. A polite, "I cannot do that this weekend," is plenty. Next, keep your promises. I am talking about the small ones. If you say you will send an email at 2 p.m., do not send it at 2:05. Reliability earns trust. When you are consistent, you become the person people count on. Also, stop trying to be a chameleon. Be authentic. Do not change your personality just to please the person you are talking to. That is transparent, and honestly, it looks desperate. Own your mistakes. If you mess up, apologize once, learn from it, and move on. And finally, develop expertise. Pick a lane and become the go-to person for it. Competence is magnetic. The social dynamic now. Let's talk about how you interact with others. We have lost the art of active listening. Seriously, put your phone away. If you are scrolling while someone is talking to you, you are basically telling them they do not matter. Make eye contact and actually hear them. When you speak, value quality over quantity. Do not be the person who just loves the sound of their own voice. And here's a big one. Stop gossiping. Talking behind people's backs is a guaranteed way to erode trust. If you will talk about them, you will talk about me. Instead, use your voice to stand up for others. If you see someone being treated poorly, speak up. That takes guts, and people respect guts. Also, show a little gratitude. A simple thank you goes a long way. And if you see someone struggling, offer to help quietly. You do not need an audience to be a good person. Projecting power. You can have all the integrity in the world, but if you walk around looking defeated, it does not matter. Master your body language. Walk tall, shoulders back, and give a firm handshake. Nobody respects a dead fish handshake. It is gross. Projecting confidence also means staying calm. When things go wrong, and they will, do not melt down. Manage your emotions. Be solution-oriented. While everyone else is complaining about the problem, be the one fixing it. People follow the person who keeps a cool head in a crisis. The respect killers, finally. Let's look at what you need to avoid like the plague. First, do not beg for approval. If someone does not see your value, you cannot force them to, and trying makes you look weak. Second, do not confuse being authoritative with being a jerk. Fear-based respect is not real. It is just compliance. Real respect is earned through actions, not intimidation. And I will say it again because it is that important. Do not gossip. It makes you look small. So, look at your life. Are you a people pleaser or are you a person of integrity? The choice is yours. Start acting like the person you want to be respected as. If you found this helpful, do me a solid, hit that like button, and subscribe to join the crew. Now, if you're dealing with someone who just won't stop crossing the line, you need to click the video on your screen right now. It covers one specific move you can do just once to stop disrespect in its tracks. Seriously, go check it out and watch how fast things change. I'll see you over there.